Ato dito, ato bang ha, walay lang tanawon katulad jud ko sa camera.
Kasama na, kasama na.
Kani sa camera. Kami.
Doon ka na?
Sige, sikat na.
1, 2, 3. Hey guys, this is me again, Jen, and welcome aboard to my channel. And yes, I'm back for another video. And for today's vlog, we will be unboxing my silver play button. So if you are interested, then just keep on watching. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell so that you'll be notified on my next video, just like this one. So if you are ready, let's begin.
Boys, I'm a fool for your love.
Yes, guys, so for today, we will be, or actually tonight, we are shooting this at around 8:45 p.m. And of course, this vlog is very special. It's because we will be unboxing the silver play button with my family! Yeah, so before we will unbox this, I'd like you to meet my family, guys. So let's start from the youngest. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Cassie's mom.
No! What's your name?
I am Cassie.
Okay, you're Cassie Rose.
Look at the camera.
Look at the camera.
Hi, I'm Cassie. I am Cassie.
Hindi siya mondragon, yum-yamin siya. So, sige, next, we have...
Hi, I'm Steffi.
Sa mga nakakita ng TikTok ko, siya yung sobrang galing sumayaw, guys. Yee. So, sister siya ni Cassie. Next is we have...
Angel.
Hi, I'm Angel. Diba? Natural na ano. Hi, I'm Angel. Okay, who's your sister? My sister is that pretty Ate M.
Wow! Pretty! Okay guys, my name is M and I am Ate Jen's cousin.
So, it really runs in the blood, guys, yung pagiging natural speaker namin. Charot! So, next!
Hello guys, I am Noreen. I am the mother of Cassie and Steffi. And I am Jen's aunt. Hello!
Hello guys, I'm Aluna, the mother of M and Angel and the wife of Roger and the aunt of Jenny.
Hi, I'm Alma, Harry's wife, and Jen and M's foster mom. Hi.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Mylene. I am a mother of...
Kaya mo, go lang.
Kaya dyan natin!
I am a James mom.
James.
Kuya James, Adrian, may nahon-nahonan?
I'm Jenaline's mother.
Oh, pamplatog.
Hi guys, I'm Harry, the pastor father of Jen and Anne.
Hi guys, I'm Roger, the father of M and Angel and the husband of Alona. Paano sila?
So yun, you met the entire family, guys. But before, again, I'll proceed in unboxing the silver play button. I just would like to thank everyone because after the big announcement, I was really overwhelmed with your support and love. After 2 days, when I dropped the big announcement, like nag-doble yung number of subscribers. That's why I'm really grateful and thank you so much for the support. I'm not gonna deny the fact that you discovered my vlog because I'm a flight attendant, because I know you are aspiring flight attendant. But thank you for staying because of me being Jen and rather than the Jen being an FA. So yun, thank you so much. And without further ado, let's go and unbox this. I'm super duper excited. Actually, wala silang idea kung para saan talaga to. Ang may idea lang, itong mga bagets. Ngayon, malalaman na nila kung anong laman at masasaksihan na namin kung ano talaga ang itsura. Excited talaga si Steffi.
Stop it! Little baby.
This is a long overdue vlog. Supposedly, I should do this right after I reach the 100,000 subscribers. Unfortunately, it took me some time. Hindi ko kasi alam na you should order this right after you reach the 100,000 subscribers. Buti na lang sinabi ni Miss Shane. Tapos, nung na-receive ko na, yun yung mga week na nalaman namin about the retrenchment. So, I was really not in the mood to film with the unboxing, kaya hindi nangyari. Kaya ngayon, lang natin gagawin. Which is a good thing because I'll get to unbox this together with my family para makita na nila kung anong laman ng silver play button.
masasangla ba namin to?
Masasala. Sa dorm pa to siya na-deliver. So, dinala ko pa to siya from Manila, babalik here sa Cebu. Excited ka! Excited! Okay, 1, 2, 3, and go! Chiring! Okay, wala pa pala guys. Kasi may cover.
Murag laptop.
Merg laptop? But it's not laptop.
Is it all black?
No.
1, 2, 3, and go! Wala pa. So there's a letter. So the letter says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can really get big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They are inspired, challenged, or entertained. Ikaw ba sa next?
You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too, which is true. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. And we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, small token of our esteem and respect.
Ito nga mga ni Jel.
We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you've found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next.
1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you.
Congratulations! So yours sincerely from Susan Wojcicki. Hindi ko alam guys. CEO of
YouTube.
1, 2, 3, and... 1, 2, 3, and go! Oh my God! Amazing!
Finally!
Oh my God!
Yeah, you have your name and your achievement.
Presented to Jen Barangan
Logo.
for passing the 100,000 YouTube subscribers. Oh my God, it is...
Congratulations.
Thank you so much!
What's the mirror?
What? You are so?
Mirrors, yan, no?
Mirror gudation. So this is what it looks like. Oh my God. Next is this one. Charot lang. Yes, right now guys, I am at 422,000 subscribers. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and until our next take off. Bye!